are looking for a one-stop shop for all of your health and wellness needs, this morning we are introducing you to Prestige Medical Group, where they provide primary care, pediatrics, and aesthetics for you and your family. Joining me now, we have Dr. Anil Yadav, Dr. Jane Jurma, and Nurse Practitioner Caitlyn Smith. Welcome all three of you to ATL Live.
Thank you.
All right, so Dr. Yadav, we're going to start with you and talk about cold and flu season, because even though it is starting to feel a little warmer outside right now, we know we are not out of the woods yet. So talk about spread prevention, especially when people tend to loosen up. And, you know, I would say in comparison to maybe November, December, those kind of things. Yeah.
So this has been a worse flu season in the last decade.
Really?
It has been a lot more hospitalization related to flu. I categorize prevention in three different sections: personal hygiene, supplements, and lifestyle.
Okay.
So hygiene is very simple, just like wash your hands, don't touch your face, especially your eyes, nose, and mouth. And if you're unwell, stay home.
Yeah.
Stop the spread of illness. That besides the personal hygiene, there are several supplements that have a lot of evidence that they will reduce the risk of infection and spreading them. The number one supplement is zinc.
Oh,
I know
yes.
a lot of us heard about it.
Yes, definitely.
So zinc has enough evidence now that will reduce the severity and length of your symptoms.
Mm-hmm. And then what about that third one?
So vitamin D and vitamin C are both important for boosting immunity.
Okay.
So besides the supplements that you take like zinc and C's, probiotics are often overlooked. They improve your gut health, and gut is very important for your immune boosting.
Yeah, and there's been so many new discussions about gut health too, so I'm glad it's a part of that everyday conversation. And Dr. Jurma, I want to bring you in here, because when we talk about kids, I mean, it feels like they're sick all the time. And then the parents have questions about antibiotics, yes or no,
Right.
but get into that for us a little
Yeah,
bit.
so antibiotics are used against bacterial illnesses such as strep, pneumonia, some ear infections. Unfortunately, they're not effective against viral illnesses like flu, COVID, RSV. Plus, they can cause side effects like diarrhea, allergic reactions, and using them when they're not appropriate can lead to resistance, making them less effective when we actually need them to work.
Right.
So really for viruses, best thing to do is just symptomatic care, make sure they're staying hydrated, make sure they're getting enough rest, and obviously, if there are any concerns, have them see their pediatrician.
Absolutely. Yeah. So what you want to talk about really goes hand in hand for adults and children. And then Caitlyn, I did not forget about you down there. So you know what's funny is that, like, I am constantly thinking about my skin and dry skin, especially around this time of year, and in this environment particularly. I know you have a lot of focus on that, and people don't necessarily associate like outer skin care as health and wellness, but it absolutely is. It all goes hand in hand.
Yeah, so, you know, this time of year, most of us experience more dryness. So I like focusing on restoring moisture, which is why I really love Skin Vive. It's truly the first injectable of its kind. So it's an injectable moisturizer that helps hydrate the skin, improve the skin's quality, as well as just the smoothness of the skin. We inject it into the dermis to internally restore your skin's barrier. So it's ultimately like a big glass of water for your skin. We can also use it to hydrate the lips as well. In general, as we age, we're losing collagen, which leads to dry, thin, dehydrated skin. And I love that we have the option of restoring our hydration with this heavy-duty internal moisturizer.
Oh, awesome. And all of this can be done at Prestige, right?
Of course.
Right.
Yeah, I think that's the beautiful thing, is that this really is genuinely a one-stop shop. We are talking about for adults, kids, and everyone can benefit for some help with their dry skin. I would say, absolutely. We appreciate all of you all being here, and everyone, if you would like more information, visit prestigemedicalgroup.org or call 706-692-9768. Again, thank you all. We
Thank you
appreciate
very
it.
much.
Happy Friday.
Thank you.
And we will be right back.